In this video, I'm going to explain in simple English why your Facebook ads performance may have dipped in the last few months and exactly what you will need to do to fix it. Because Meta did have a huge algorithm update which fundamentally changes the way ads are delivered, and this was called the Andromeda Update. And you need to understand this to be successful as we head into 2026. So give me a few minutes and I'll save you months of pain and guesswork. I'll explain what the Andromeda Update changed, how you need to change your campaign building, how to manage and optimize your ads post-launch, because this changes a lot, so stick around for that. Links to each chapter are in the description so you can jump around. Let's get into it. So Andromeda Explained. First, let's look at what changed and why. So several years ago, Meta's targeting was absolutely unmatched, and we could target, for example, a librarian living in London, aged between 30 and 35 years old, no problem at all. Then Facebook gets spanked with fines worth hundreds of millions of pounds for harvesting too much data on people in order to target them with their ads. So it introduced its Advantage Plus targeting, whereby it used AI to get the right ads in front of the right people at the right time. Now what this new system did is work to identify the 2 to 3 best ads within a campaign or ad set, and it went all in on those, which meant that broader ads generally worked best, and if you launched 10 ads, the algorithm would likely kill 8 of them pretty quickly and go all in on the remaining 2. Now you as the advertiser didn't need to actually do anything and turn the other ads off. The algorithm did it by itself. So what was the problem and why did Meta change its algorithm? So basically Meta has loads of creatives but wasn't powerful enough to consider all of them. So it identified a few early winners and went all in. Now, however, ad spend will be spread far more evenly across different ads as it tries to match different copy and creatives with particular people and audiences. And this is why your strategy will need to change, and I'll explain how to do that in a moment. So think of Meta ads as like going to a library, and the librarian has to match a book, an ad, to the right customer, but she's got millions of books to choose from and can't possibly consider them all, so she just goes to a handful of bestsellers and uses them because most people are going to like them. Now the Andromeda update is like replacing that librarian with a supercomputer that can consider all of the millions of books much better and hopefully match the perfect book to the perfect customer. So how does this change how you build your ads? So you still need great data integrations to make your targeting work, and you still need your pixel, conversion API, CRM integrations, lists uploading, etc. However, a greater targeting emphasis is now placed on your ads themselves. Meta will take a large lead from your copy and your creatives when determining who to show your ads to. So much like with SEO, think keywords and use your copy to make it really clear who your target product or service is for. Now your ads will need good creative variety, targeting different audience personas. For example, if you're running lead generation ads for a business coaching service, previously, you would have written various copy variations and created various images and videos that spoke to core target customers' pain points and the outcomes that they desire. However, after the Andromeda update, best practice now is to write for several different audience personas. One persona could be business owners that are looking to scale. Another could be business owner who is super busy and overworked, and you talk about this particular pain point and your ability to help them with their business systemization. A third persona could be business owners that are looking to sell their business and about how your service can help them build and negotiate that sale. The Andromeda update should allow all personas to be targeted within one ad set and one campaign. Now, about 5 years ago, to do this, we would have had a really granular interest and demographic-based targeting, and you would have had about 3 different ad sets with unique ads within each to target these 3 audience personas. But today, best practice is to have one campaign, one ad set with about 20 different ads targeting all different personas within that ad set. So this video is sponsored by Go High Level. If you don't already have a CRM hooked into Meta, you're leaving money on the table. Go High Level pulls leads straight into pipelines, triggers instant emails and text, and makes follow-up automatic. We use it because it's all in one, like HubSpot, but way cheaper. Use the link below for an extended trial. So let's talk about how you optimize your ads campaign, and now the Andromeda update has landed, because it is different. So if you've been running your ads correctly, previously you will have allowed the AI to identify the best performing ads and allocate your budget for you. However, today, post-Andromeda, the AI won't automatically kill ads like it used to, so we're back to doing this manually. If you're monitoring your various ads and you see certain ads has a particularly high cost per result, you need to consider turning those ads off and forcing your ad budget into better performing creatives. Now, we're often running campaigns right now where we start with, say, 20 ads, and a month later we've turned 14 off, leaving 6 high performers remaining. Now, a final important point, really important point. Meta never rolls out these updates universally and immediately, meaning you may not have the Andromeda update on your account just yet. Now, eventually it will be rolled out to absolutely everybody, but my agency is working with about 100 different Meta Ads clients, and we're seeing that about 50% of them are on the Andromeda update, but the rest are on the legacy targeting system. This is exactly what they did when they rolled out Advantage Plus. So that's all for now. Drop questions in the comment if you have one, and we'll see you next time.